Tax Refund 2023 status update. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another update. Let's go ahead and get started. This information is being shared from IRS.gov. You can check the Where Is My Refund tool. Check it 24 hours after e-filing your tax return. That is your 2022 tax return. If you're filing past due returns, you must allow 3 to 4 days after e-filing your 2020 or your 2021 tax return to receive a status on the Where Is My Refund tool. If you file a paper return, you must allow 4 weeks before checking the status for an update. The Where's My Refund tool updates once a day, usually overnight. You will need your social security number, your filing status, and the exact dollar amount of your refund from your 2022 tax return or your delayed returns. You need that exact refund amount in order to receive a status using the Where Is My Refund tool. The IRS is reporting that they have processed all paper and electronic individual returns received prior to January 2023, and that they are opening mail within normal time frames. That this means that they have processed all returns that they received for tax year 2021 or earlier, if those returns had no errors or did not need further review. So if you are still waiting beyond the 21 days, your return either has an error or the IRS selected it for an additional review. That could mean that it was a random selection and not necessarily that you made a mistake or did anything wrong. Now, the IRS has not updated the total numbers yet this week. The last update was they were at 2.26 million unprocessed individual tax returns. They are continuing to process tax returns that need to be manually reviewed. As your return is processed, whether it was filed electronically or in paper, it may be delayed because it has a mistake, missing information, suspected identity theft, or fraud. If the IRS can fix it without contacting you, they will. If they need more information or you need to verify your identity or verify your tax return, they will send you a letter by mail. The resolutions for those under review can take up to 120 days, depending on how quickly and accurately you respond to any additional information. Now, they will contact you, like I stated, by mail if they need any additional information from you. If you file electronically and you receive an acknowledgement, the IRS states that you do not need to take any further action other than responding. In terms of the ITIN applications, they are currently delayed. They are now processing those received February of 2023. The deadline to file your tax return, if you have not filed your tax return, is April 18th. That is also the deadline to make the first quarter estimated tax payments for 2023, and those estimated tax payments are those made by self-employed individuals, retirees, investors, businesses, corporations, and others that do not have taxes withheld, or employees that do not have enough taxes taken out. If you make estimated tax payments, the first quarter payment is also due April 18th. Now, here is a recap of those most common IRS notices. To verify your identity, we have 5071C and 4883C. If the IRS change your return, you will get a notice CP12. Levy notification CP504. Income reporting or payment errors is CP2000. Balance due reminder is CP71A. If there's issues with your dependent social security number, that would be notice CP87A. And also your amended tax returns. To check the status of your amended tax return, you must wait 3 weeks after filing the form before you can use the Where Is My Amended tool on the IRS.gov website. If it has been more than 16 weeks since you mailed the amended return, or the Where Is My Amended return direct you to call the IRS, you can contact the IRS to check the status of your amended return. Remember, you can also call the Taxpayer Advocate Service directly at 1-877-777-4778 to get help with your delayed regular 2022 tax returns, as well as your past due returns, your amended returns. If you're not getting any resolution with the IRS, try the Taxpayer Advocate Service. They are here, or they are there as advocates for you, the taxpayer, to assist you and find out what is going on with your return. Remember, the IRS is stating also, if you know anyone that don't normally file tax return, make sure to encourage them to still file, because they may still be eligible for a refund. Generally, taxpayers with gross income less than $12,950 for single filers and $25,900 for married filing jointly are not required to file a federal tax return. However, low-income individuals may mistakenly assume that since they owe no tax, that they are not eligible for a refund, and they may be eligible for a refund due to the credits like the earned income tax credit and other credits. So please make sure to remind anyone who has not filed to file. Even if they don't usually file, they may be eligible for a refund still. All right, make sure to continue to check the WMR for status update. If you are receiving refund status update, we apologize, but your return processing has been delayed beyond the normal time frame. You may need to verify your identity. Log into your IRS online account or call the IRS or the Taxpayer Advocate Service to see if you need to verify your identity. You also can schedule an in-person appointment as well. Now, the next direct deposit date shared is April 19, 2023. Check the WMR for updates, as well as your IRS online transcript. Next refund direct deposit date is April 19, 2023. Also, we have some IRS transcript codes here. Examination request is 424. 768 is earned income tax credit. 810 is refund freeze. 811 is refund freeze remove. And 971 is IRS notice sent. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more Tax Refund 2023 IRS refund status update.